Good morning, students. Let me see about cloud compute introduction for this today class. Basically, cloud computing is a technology that uses your remote server on the internet. We can store your data, manage, and we can access your data online rather than your local drives. So any type of files it may be text files, image files, documents, audio, video, or anything than that. So this kind of cloud computing is to be internet based computing. So with the help of your internet based only, we have to access your all kind of resources. So we can store, we can share our resources, softwares, and informations that are provided to computer and other devices based on your demand basis. Let me see this picture. It shows after introducing your cloud and before came to for your cloud. When you see this first picture before cloud computing, we have a large room. So in that room, we have to n number of servers. So the all the servers and the networks where we have to devices, all the devices we have to connect it with the Ethernet connections. So it should be looking like a clumsy. When you see this next picture after introducing your cloud computing, we have to have some structured format. We have to avail the all kind of services, and we have to connect a different kind of computers through the network, and we have a huge servers we can store for plenty of data. So we can get large number of data we can store with the help of your cloud computing. So we have a n number of operations we can do with the help of your cloud computing. Developing new applications and the services we can do it. We can store, backup, and recovery of data. It means that if you're lost in your data from any one of the data center, we can get it that the same data from other data centers. We can store that the same data in different places. Hosting your blogs and the websites we can create. We can delivery of softwares if it is demand. Analyze your large number of data. From that we have to get the required data. After that, streaming your videos and audios we can do it with the help of your cloud computing. Let me see the architecture of your cloud computing. So basically it has a two parts, front end part, another one is your back end part. In the front end part, it should be there for your cloud infrastructure. That is, it means that client infrastructure. We have to give the request from the customer. That customer give the request to the server with the help of your internet connections. In the backend part, it is a cloud computing side. We have to give the plenty of services like application related services, resource related services, and runtime cloud also it should be there. And we can store the n number of data, and they have to provide the security, plenty of security, and they have to do for managing for all the resources with the help of your cloud service provider. Let me see the characteristics why we are going to preferring for cloud. Basically, the principle called as pay as you use model. It means that how much of resources we have to get it from the cloud. So that kind of amount only we have to pay. That is the main benefit of your cloud. The customers, so that the customers no need to get for your own physical infrastructure. Instead they can avoid for capital expenditure. So they have to get it all kind of resources based on your renting basis. They have to consume the resources as a services and pay only for the resources that they use. Let me see this picture. It shows what kind of services they have to ready to provide. Usually it has a three different kind of services. Infrastructure as a services, we can call it IaaS. After that, platform as a services, we can say PaaS. The third one is software as a services. This all kind of services, it should be worked based on your virtualization concept. Let me see for your next lecture, uh, what is the use of your all kind of services and what kind of services it is going to give to the clients. Thank you.